What's up, everybody? This is also Nick, and today we are tearing apart the motor in the Civic. Alright, so this is my D16Y7 that came out of that car, and we're going to be tearing it apart. We're going to start by taking the oil pan off, and then we're probably going to take the distributor and the timing belt off and go from there. Alright, so now we realized we gotta get this pulley off before we can get the timing cover off the rest of the way, so we're gonna work on that. Okay, so this is the beautiful head of the engine, and these are the head bolts. We're gonna take those all out and pop the head off. I think we are good to do that at this point. We got parts.
You do. Empty bag. That's what it feels like.
It's plastic gauge.
Oh really?
Yeah.
We had plastic gauge shift here.
I'm supposed to get three packages delivered today.
Oh, show the video.
We got some plastic gauge. It's very sad. I was supposed to get 3 things delivered today. 3 boxes.
Let me just got one.
I ordered them last night, so what do you expect? Alright, so here's what we got. There's some oil in here, but I don't know if it dripped in there while we were taking the head off. This thing does burn oil, so it's possible that that was already in there. Who knows? The other thing that I'm not sure about is if that means the head gasket's blown, because there's, you know, like the black stuff in between all of them, and then this one doesn't have them. Ooh, wait, which one was this? Which way does that go?
Okay.
Okay, so it's not the one with oil in it.
Yeah, because that's underside.
Yeah. And if you're looking around here, like, these look like they were sealed off, so I don't think that it was blown. But I'm not 100% sure.
It's not too bad.
Oh, I need to get a dingleberry hone to hone those. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I don't know, the surface of the head looks pretty good, except for like over here. I don't know, it kind of looks sanded or something.
It does look sanded. I betcha.
But like there's still, I can still like machine cuts here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright,
I couldn't imagine that being like sanded. Unless somebody like replaced the head gasket and they like yeah, they used like the wrong Scotch-Brite or something to clean that off.
Yeah.
Usually the head gasket sticks to this, doesn't it?
It's so weird that the like cylinders don't touch it. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's the oil passages. A lot of people get like
They're cool.
blocked guards,
Oh,
and
that's cool.
or not oil. It's coolant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. People get block guards that fill it, so it's supposed to prevent these from cracking. But I guess these can. People have made like 500 horsepower on these without having the block sleeved.
Cool.
And without like block guards.
Cool. Does this mean we get to turn it over? Probably take these out.
Yeah, probably.
Otherwise we'll lose them again.
See, I don't know. Like, do we want to disassemble it? We want to take all this stuff off the side and the crack pipe off the back.
I don't know.
That's actually what people call these on Volkswagens, I guess, is the crack pipe.
Yeah. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, we could take it apart. I don't know what this bolt's for. This screw.
Just take these two. Or one? Is it just the one hole?
Is it just the one, and then this one right here?
Yeah.
Actually, that's not even connected.
Yeah, it's probably just this one. Right? Hold up.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're going to want to wear brushes.
Probably. And should I take the water pump off too? Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and take the main cap bolts off. And also the oil pickup has to come off. I think it has to come off first.
Probably.
Wait, I don't want to be in the video.
Okay. I'm already in this video.
I want to be in it.
No. Can't be in all of it.
Uh,
Can't be in all of it. Wow, that was a good pan.
is he like sprinkler? I don't know what I'm gonna say. I just wanted to be in it. Look at my pink hair. Can you see it? They're in braids.
I don't think you can see it's pink from here. Her hair is pink. Alright, so I paused the video and forgot to continue it, but this is what the crank looks like. All of these look fine. This one looks a little shiny. This one looks a little shiny too, but none of them are like burnt or anything. If we look at the rings on those, they are completely shot, like worn down on the two ends, on the two end pistons, but none of them spun. It doesn't look like any of them spun. They all look to be intact, just worn down, maybe some oil starvation. Which ones are these? These are one of the
right here. One of the shiny ones.
Okay. So yeah, this is how bad they looked on those. They're pretty wore, but I don't think that they spun. So that's probably where the noise was, because it was very slight. It wasn't anything too crazy. So we're gonna flip it over now and look at the cylinder walls. Go ahead and flip it over.
Cue flip over. This is what we were looking at.
Yeah, and here's the other thing that I can't see it in the camera, but the pistons are scratched on this side. I think on all of them, right?
Yeah, all of them on the same side.
Okay, yeah,
Like,
all of them on the same side to the
the
point where
other
they're
side-
kind of like flattened a little bit.
The other side, they just look like
Yeah.
frosty. So the arrows were all painted that way, so it would be this side.
I can see it.
Yeah.
See the scratches?
Yeah.
But it's nothing major.
Yeah, I don't feel it.
Oh, you can't feel it. You can
No.
see it, but you can't feel it. So
Right.
I think you can probably get away with just honing it.
That's what I'll do then. Get one of those dingleberry hones.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight, $10.
Because I've seen them. We used to get.
We showed that there was no lip. I mean, like, you can't feel anything.
Yeah.
On that.
I don't think we showed it in the camera, but there's no lip on the
Yeah.
top of the
That's
cylinders.
weird for how many miles?
250,000.
Like, even my fingernail.
Right.
I can just feel the difference in, like, it's got that slight tinge to it.
This one has a little bit of. On this side,
Scratch.
a little bit of scratches there, but not much.
I bet you that.
They're all on this other side.
I bet you that one will get them out.
Yep. Oh yeah, there ain't nothing. This is nothing. Nick, I'll tell you a story. My shop teacher when I was in high school.
Can you tell it to the camera? Do you care?
My shop teacher in high school had an old 327 motor, and it was just beat to hell. And he says, "Don't worry, it'll run." He just honed it out, and the pistons looked like somebody beat them out with a ball peen hammer, and the thing ran like a clock. True story. He put it all back together, and the thing just, yeah, it looked like somebody took a ball peen hammer and beat the pistons out of it. That's how banged up the top of the pistons were. He goes, "Don't worry, it'll run fine." Like,
As long as it doesn't have holes in it.
All right, so that's it for today. Let me know what your thoughts are on the bearings and stuff. One thing is when we went to flip over the motor the first time, this fell out, and I have no clue what it is. So if you have any idea what this is, let me know so I can get it back to the right spot.
The crabs, they go like this.
Yeah, that's what they do.
That's what they do. We finished tearing down the motor. Stay tuned for the next video where we start the build. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.